How to change site URL prefix in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your site URL prefix in your Wix Studio. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So as you can see, this is my website. If you haven't already custom your domain, your website will be like this, it's so long and there are two elements. So this one is the site name and then this one is the site prefix. So we're gonna change this prefix. So first you can go to your Web Studio. As you can see, this is my site. I have only one site. And then you can go ahead to the settings in the bottom left corner here. And then click workspace settings. And then as you can see, you can change your URL prefix. I'm gonna make it, more cool, maybe tutorials with Sena. I think this is better. So this is better for my website. And then we're gonna click save here. It's done. So let's see if it's changed. See, it's changed to tutorial with Sena .wixstudio.com and slash tutorial with Sena. Basically, this is the site name, you can change it or you can add another site, but the prefix will be like this, tutorial with Sena.wixstudio.com. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.